Robots are moving beyond workshops and factories and stepping right into the world of entertainment. With powerful AI and advanced robotics, these machines can perform stunts, show emotions, and interact with people in real time. They can sing, they can perform, and they can compete. Robots are breaking into the entertainment world, and the spotlight may never be the same again. In this video, you will see how it is possible and how robotics is creating a whole new generation of performers. Advanced physical agility and combat skills. Unitree's G1 humanoid robot with anti-gravity mode. This robot withstands and recovers from brutal impacts like kicks and shoves by dynamically predicting falls and bracing itself. Its balance and quick recovery resemble mechanical fighters in real steel, where robots engage in boxing matches, combining athletic ability with resilience. The G1 features 23 joints that give it a wide range of motion, allowing it to move smoothly and adapt to different situations. It uses advanced sensors like 3D LiDAR and depth cameras to understand its surroundings and react instantly. Thanks to its strong motors and clever AI, the G1 doesn't just survive hits, it actually adjusts in real time to keep going, almost like a human athlete. This makes it perfect for live combat shows, stunt performances, or interactive sports events where the audience wants to see action-packed, realistic robot moves. Forier's N1 robot performing acrobatics. The N1's capability of flipping, cartwheels, and 360-degree jumps is akin to the gymnastic dexterity robots need for stunt performances or futuristic dance battles reminiscent of choreographed robot fights in Transformers. This dynamic physicality enables entertainment formats blending martial arts, dance, and acrobatics. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame and flexible joints allow it to move smoothly and stay balanced during fast, complex tricks. Plus, built-in sensors help the N1 adjust its movements in real time.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
Making it perfect for high-energy shows that combine agility with style. Martial arts training in robots. Robots are being trained for real-time fight moves, with shadow boxing and sparring capabilities showcased at Humanoid Robot games. These developments parallel battles in Pacific Rim, where gigantic robots fight monsters with rapid reflexes and martial finesse. Robots could appear in arenas as fighters or performers, captivating audiences with synchronized movements and combat. Lifelike expression and interaction. A head forms humanoid head with realistic facial expressions. With subtle eye movements, blinks, and micro-expressions, these robots evoke emotional responses and connection similar to android characters in sci-fi films. This enhances their potential in entertainment as virtual performers, actors, or interactive companions, similar to the emotional bonding seen in Blade Runner or Ex Machina. ELF series robots with AI-driven facial muscles. Robots in this series exhibit natural gaze behaviors and intelligent social interaction, suggesting future live entertainers who can communicate emotionally and socially with audiences, akin to humanoid characters in Her or AI companions in futuristic narratives. Expressive robots as cultural icons. Robots like Jake the Rizzbot embody personality through style, a cowboy hat, and behaviors indicating that future entertainer robots can offer charm and relatable personas, adding to their appeal like popular culture icons in Transformers or animated robot characters. Open source platforms and market accessibility. Forier's open source Nexus 01 robot, providing blueprints and software, openly encourages widespread creativity and hobbyist involvement, fostering experimental entertainment robots customizable for performances, live shows, or interactive storytelling. This democratization can spawn diverse robotic entertainers with varying personalities and abilities. Unitree's upcoming affordable full-size humanoid. Priced under $6,000, this robot could flood markets, allowing educational institutions, entertainment companies, and individuals to feature humanoid robots as companions, dancers, or live entertainers at events and media productions. AI integration and cognitive resilience. Skilled AI's omnibodied robot brain. An AI system adaptable to damage, allowing robots to continue performing despite physical impairment, similar to the invulnerability of robots in the Terminator series. This resilience is valuable in unpredictable environments. Live performances ensuring continuous robot activity. Microsoft's MAI Voice AI, capable of generating a minute of natural audio in under a second. This enables robots to narrate, sing, or interact verbally with realistic tones. Perfect for roles as robot comedians, singers, or interactive hosts akin to voice personalities in Star Wars droids or Hers AI assistant.
What if your water bottle glowed to help you reach your hydration goals? The Lark bottle does. Its smart sensor tracks your intake and glows to remind you when it's time to drink. Plus, it purifies your water on the go. Prioritize your health with the perfect gift for you and your loved ones. Click the link in the comment section to never forget to hydrate again.
Large language models with interactive reasoning. AI models trained for adaptive, interactive reasoning allow robots to improvise, respond swiftly to live audiences, and perform complex tasks dynamically, paralleling witty robot characters in Iron Man, Jarvis, or Transformers. Real-time vision and contextual awareness. Apple's Fast Vision Language Model, FastVLM. This AI's ability to process visual and textual input rapidly and accurately equips robots with sharp perception and contextual understanding, allowing entertainment robots to react fluidly to audience cues, props, or stage changes, similar to the responsive combat robots in Pacific Rim. Google's Gemini integrated AI in Chrome. Advanced context awareness signals that robots of the future will not only entertain, but also seamlessly integrate with human digital environments, assisting or enhancing live shows through behind-the-scenes control or augmented reality participation. Potential entertainment use cases. Robot combat sports and shows. Combining Unitree's resilience and skilled AI's adaptive brains, future entertainment could feature live robot fighting leagues with athletic, durable robots performing choreographed and competitive bouts akin to real steel boxing. Robot dance and acrobatics performances. Forier's N1 stylized movements suggest robots performing in dance competitions, possibly paired with AI music generation, creating futuristic shows similar to Transformers concert scenes. Interactive social robots. Robots with expressive faces and conversational AI could star in theatrical or immersive digital performances, acting or engaging in improvisational comedy or drama. Customized robot characters. Accessible platforms could spawn countless unique robotic personalities for theme parks, exhibitions, or personal entertainment companions, akin to popular robot characters from pop culture franchises. To conclude, as robots gain unprecedented physical agility, emotional expressiveness, and AI-driven adaptability, they are poised to shake up the entertainment industry, transitioning from futuristic spectacles to everyday performers. Will these robotic stars of tomorrow redefine live entertainment and interactive experiences as profoundly as iconic pop culture robots, like those in Real Steel and Transformers, have shaped our imagination? The future of entertainment might just be robotic and more dazzling than ever before. What do you think? Are there any areas where you think robots are still missing? Share your thoughts below.